Learn how to create this awesome flickering title in After Effects. First, create a new composition. Write any text you want. Duplicate the text layer first. For the bottom layer, select only stroke. Now select the top layer. Go to Animate and select Opacity. Set the opacity to 0%. Then animate the range selector from 0% to about 85%. Now open the Advanced tab and set Randomize Order to On. And to create the flicker effect, Alt-click the stopwatch for random seed and type time *20. That's how you can create a flicker title in After Effects. After creating the flickering effect, you can change the text if you want to. Type same text for both layers. If you like this quick tutorial, please subscribe to this channel. That will encourage me to make more tutorials like this. Thank you for all your support.